Hey viewers, in a previous video I shared some tips on how to fold down the rear seats of your CRV if the release mechanism is broken. Now one thing I didn't think about, and it was brought to my attention by one of the viewers, is that the seat can be locked in two different positions, and if it's locked in the furthest position, so slightly angled or reclined, then my tips, well at least one of them, doesn't work as effectively or as easily as it should. But I found a solution for that too, so I decided to make a video. Now if your car seat is in the vertical position, then please check out my other video. So the first thing I noticed, when the seat is in this position, the latch is easily accessible. It's that black thing there. So what I decided to do is just push the latch up with my index finger. Okay, so I'll try and demonstrate this first. So what you want to do is, with your index finger, push up on the latch, and you'll get to a point where you can't sort of push anymore. Now here's where you want to try and bend your wrist and extend your finger straight up as much as you can. You do need a bit of force for that. Perhaps wrap a towel or cloth around your finger just to protect it a little bit. Now, a word of warning: hold on to the seat while you're doing this. Don't let it fold down, because while your finger's still in there, it can get jammed by the latch a bit, and it does hurt. All right, now once you notice that you can kind of feel that the latch has cleared the anchor, slowly start releasing the seat, and once you know for sure it's cleared it, remove your finger and then let go of the seat. Alright, so now I'm going to try and release the latch. Just quickly, I have the seat belt holding onto the seat for me because I can't record and hold the seat at the same time and release the latch. So get my finger under the latch and push up and up as hard as I can, and it's moved. Alright, I know I've cleared the anchor point here. Now I'm just going to pause it and release the seat belt. Now what you want to do, as I mentioned, you're still holding on to this, and once you know it's cleared, you want to get your finger out of there, and the best thing to do is probably push the seat, because what I found when I was just testing before is it might lock in the upright position. All right, so I'll just remove the seat belt first. Okay, seat belt removed, and I'll just give it a push. And there we go. Now if you find that you can't get the latch above the anchor, then the piece that's broken in the release mechanism may have fallen into a position that's preventing the latch from opening up. So that piece should still be attached to the cables that connect back to the release lever here. So what you want to do is pull on the release lever a few times and then try again, because hopefully that will shift it out of the way. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, if it worked for you, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.